Us. I am Ashley Mazuri. Our sign language interpreter is Demin Evans. Let's begin. Now, President Uhuru Kenyatta today launched the biometric registration of 1 million Kenyans living in abject poverty into the Universal Health Coverage Program in Mombasa. Now, President Kenyatta directed the Health and Labour Ministries to begin the exercise of identifying and registering the extremely poor and vulnerable persons who cannot afford to pay for medical care. But what stood out is Kenyatta's warning to individuals at Afya House planning to embezzle NHIF millions. Uhuru was talking tough, but as Brian Ouya reports, this is not the first time President is talking tough.
The president appeared so determined and passionate about the universal health coverage to the extent of asking Parliament to fast-track the necessary legislation to implement the program and not to play games and tricks around it.
Our members of Parliament, don't delay us by unnecessary debates. We all know where we want to go. What we want now is to begin delivering.
There has been 1.6 million hospital visits more across the UHC select counties since the program's pilot was launched in the 4 counties of Kisumu, Nyeri, Machakos and Isiolo. Counties are calling for representation in the KEMSA board, where as it stands, there is only one representative of the counties. The climax of Kenyatta's address in Mombasa was the warning of the suspected cartels in the Ministry of Health. Kenyatta has vowed that he will be among those going to extreme lengths to punish thieves should they steal the UHC monies.
Any person who attempts to defraud the NHIF or abuse its processes will be dealt with accordingly as provided for under our laws. Anyway, that's okay.
NHIF says there are at least 9.1 million households in the NHIF database, this translating to about 22 million people. The exact number of people or more who will be affected should another round of graft hit NHIF.
If you do not handle these funds with the care and caution that it requires, some of us will go to very extreme lengths to ensure that you shall regret it for the rest of your lives.
But this is not the first time Kenyatta is appearing seriously angry about graft, a vice that dogs his administration. Uhuru ordered investigations into KEMSA graft, giving investigative agencies just 21 days to conclude that investigation. The Auditor General's office recently revealed KEMSA lost 2.3 billion shillings. No action or status report has been availed about that alleged graft. Uhuru's warnings on corruption have been normalized for years, putting the corrupt in his government on notice that their days are numbered. But nothing solid has come out of these threats.
I have no role, but yet I stand accused that the executive is not doing enough. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you want me to do? Niwaulize.
We will hold our anti-corruption bodies accountable now going forward, and that there is no sacred cow in this government, none, including myself. Wewe kama unataka kuingiana na mambo ya ufisadi, yeah? Tutapigana na wewe. You can be my brother, you can be my sister, you can be my closest political ally, you can be whatever you are, but you are an enemy of the Republic of Kenya, and we will fight with you.
The Ministry of Health has been dogged with allegations of graft in the past. The NHIF had part of its leadership sent packing over the 2018 alleged heist. Brian Ouya, KTN, Weekend Prime.